Nyambekidz.
Hello, friends! I'm Tamilo, and today we're learning how to stay safe around the world and what to do in case of an emergency.
Nyambe Studios.
If a stranger says, come with me,
No, no, no.
if a stranger offers candy free,
No, no, no.
if a stranger says, help me please,
No, no, no.
run away and shake with ease.
Go, go, go. The smart kid, safe kid. That's me. Smart kid, safe kid.
You can be
I say no, then run away.
Run in place.
Telling I go right away.
If you need help, here's what we sing.
Listen to the world and let it ring.
Arenakwai hadari,
Kira, 1, 1, 2.
tie ubawa,
Bet, once, 1, 2.
ukiwa na hadari,
Piga 999.
kanapan and jozi,
Fonera 999.
umakukone ngozi,
Diana 112.
si hay peligro,
Llama al 112.
siria danger,
Apela 112.
agar khatra ho,
112 पर कॉल करो.
se huber perigo,
Piga 90.
they will come to help you.
It's true.
Nyambekidz.
Smart kid, safe kid. That's me. Smart kid, safe kid.
You can be
I say no, then run away. Tell our adults right away.
Yell it loud so everyone hears.
This is not my dad.
Hey.
This is not my mom. Shout it.
Yell and run, go way too long. Being safe makes you strong. One more time, let me hear you say, I am smart, I am safe, I am strong.
Nyambe Studios.
And if you ever forget, ask a grown-up.
I am smart.
Nyambekidz.
I am safe. I am brave. I am strong.